Let's discuss our last topic about research informing second language reading. To what extent research can influence second language reading. So that's the last topic, and in this topic we're going to discuss the role of intrinsic motivation for developing reading skills. Okay. Motivation is such a fluid term, like it's been defined in different ways, but overall the researchers argue that motivation it triggers students to take action, to move on, and reading motivation actually is generally described in the field of educational psychology, and it's not something which is defined in the field of second language reading. So there are two kinds of motivation. Intrinsic motivation. Intrinsic means the self motivation. To what extent students are internally motivated, they are personally, they have their own choices, they feel interested in a particular reading text, and there is extrinsic motivation, which is called external motivation, and it could be in the form of exams, in the form of grades, in the form of some achievement or some task. So intrinsic and extrinsic motivation, they do play a pivotal role in terms of making students read texts efficiently, right? There are various components of intrinsic motivation, and as language teachers we need to take care of these components while teaching reading. The first one is the efficacy, the self-efficacy, the self-efficacy beliefs of students, their belief in themselves, why they need to read, what's the purpose of reading, why they are approaching the text with a particular angle. So the second one is the challenge. To what extent the text is challenging, or to what extent it poses the challenge for the readers, and it can offer them curiosity or keep them going and make them involved and keep them engaged with the text, and then offers them recognition, like how reading can offer them recognitions. It can be impetus in the form of grades or importance or social significance, or even the competition or compliance, how it requires students meet the external pressure, right? So motivation, intrinsic motivation, is relatively a new area in the field of second language acquisition, and especially second language reading. But these studies like Dorney and other studies, they suggest that these components, self-efficacy beliefs of students, their intrinsic and extrinsic motivation, they are important to make them proficient readers. And in this regard, if we want to make our student motivated, keep them motivated, we need to look at our instructional practices, and we need to pay close attention to the approaches which motivate students in the classroom, or even not to overlook the approaches which demotivate students in the classroom. So this is how motivation is such a complex term, and but it has its strong relationship with that of teaching reading. And the research argues that if we want to develop comprehension skills of our student, we need to pay closer look We need to pay close attention to motivation and see to what extent our students are intrinsically motivated and what triggers their extrinsic motivation.